Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you this delicious Coca-Cola chicken wing. For this particular dish, I am recommending using chicken wing just because it has less thick meat. But however, if you're like my girlfriend, you don't like chicken wings, you can use drumstick as well. First step, we're going to marinate our chicken wing with some soy sauce and cooking wine. Then we're going to give our chicken wings a nice massage in the marinade. Make sure everything is coated really well. Now we're going to cut some onion white, and for our garnish, we're going to dice some scallion. As well as some diced garlic for the flavor. Preheat a pan on high heat, and we're going to add some oil into it. Then make sure you put the chicken wing skin side down, because the skin side has oil in it, so this way some of the flavor is gonna come out as you are grilling the chicken. As well as half the marinade into the pan, and then we're going to add our diced garlic and onion white part into the pan. We're going to pan grill our chicken wings for about 5 minutes each side, and then until the skin side has a golden brown crust on it. Now once your chicken looks like the ones that I have right here, then yours is good to go. Now we're going to add enough Coke to cover the chicken into the pan, and then we're going to season it with some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into it, and about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and about 1 tablespoon of salt into the pan. Now we're going to also add about half tablespoon of dark soy sauce into the mixture to give it real nice color. Now we're going to bring the whole thing into a boil. Once it is boiling, you will see some dark foam floating on top. We're just gonna have to remove it. We call this the cleansing the broth. It is a Chinese cooking term. Okay, and then after we remove the foam, we're going to remove the garlic as well as the onion white part. Since the pan I have right here didn't come with a lid, I'm going to have to remove everything into a boil pan. This way, when we're simmering our chicken, the flavor can get into the chicken wings. And then we're going to simmer our chicken on low heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. The goal is, during the simmer process, you want to reduce about half of the liquid in your pan. Once that is confirmed, turn the heat on high and cook the chicken a little bit more. The key point to make this Coca-Cola chicken wing successful is to cook the sauce into the chicken wings until it has a nice and sticky consistency. Then once that is done, just simply plate your chicken wings on your plate and pour the remaining sauce over the chicken wings. Then garnish your dish with scallion and put some white rice on the side. It is time to enjoy. Some people might ask, we use a lot of Coca-Cola to make this. It has to be super sweet, right? The truth is, it's not. The sauce is savory, it's aromatic, and it has really nice caramelized flavor on top of it. The chicken is cooked thoroughly, so when you put the chicken wing in your mouth, the bone just comes right off, and all you gotta do is chew on that delicious, juicy, tenderized meat. Now listen up, guys. I know I can keep on telling you how good this dish is, but in order for you to see yourself, you have to get in your kitchen, turn on your stove, and make this dish for yourself. And in the comment down below, let me know what you think of this dish, and I know for a fact you will enjoy it like I am. Now that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and hit that like button down below. Thank you.